The Warrior Lite is a high-performance yet compact and lightweight, portable inline blood and IV fluid warming device that utilizes a cutting-edge and extremely safe warming technology. While the Warrior Lite can fit multiple clinical settings, its compact and lightweight design makes it particularly appealing for the space and weight-constrained, such as flight teams, tactical teams, or emergency departments. Warrior Lite users are particularly happy with the great balance between small form factor and uncompromised performance. In just a few seconds, the Warrior Lite can warm near freezing blood and fluid to body temperature from KVO up to 180 milliliters per minute and room temperature fluids at up to 270 milliliters per minute. Equally important, the Warrior line of products can uniquely deal with rapid intermittent infusion methods such as push-pull, hand pump, or life flow. The Warrior Lite has three main components: the base unit, battery, and compact disposable unit. The base unit hosts the control and user indication functions. It analyzes blood and fluid temperature hundreds of times per second. Changes in flow rates are immediately captured and adequate measures are taken to ensure a constant 38 degrees Celsius outgoing temperature. The Warrior Lite provides two battery options for optimal operational fit: the Extra Power and the Lite battery. With the Extra Power battery, the system can warm up to 3 liters of near-freezing blood and fluid, or almost 5 liters of room temperature fluids. The Lite battery is smaller in size and delivers approximately half the volume of the Extra Power battery. Both batteries are rechargeable, medical-grade lithium-ion batteries. And lastly, the Per-Patient Compact Disposable Unit, or CDU. The CDU hosts the warming apparatus and comes with standard Luer locks, allowing it to fit all common blood and IV tubing. The CDU is strong yet lightweight with a shelf life of up to 3 years and is completely aluminum-free. The disposable unit has the lowest price per use, often less than half of the cost of other modern portable blood and fluid warmers. Additional accessories are available. Mounting unit enables to mount the Warrior to an IV pole, stretcher, or hospital bed. You can also connect the unit to a carabiner or use a strap to attach it to practically anything. A 55-inch extension cable if you wish to extend the distance between the base unit and the disposable unit, thus eliminating the need to use line extensions. A 12 to 24 volt charger. And a soft carrying bag. The assembly and operations are done in 2 simple steps. First, connect the IV tubing to the CDU and flush it. Then, connect the CDU to the base unit. The unit will be activated automatically once the CDU is in place, and warm fluids will flow within just a few seconds. The LED indicators on the Warrior Lite will indicate the status of the warming process. Unique to the Warrior is the disposable's ability to travel with the patient from one setting to the next without interrupting patient care. Simply unplug the CDU from one device and plug it into the next without having to stop or reprime. Unlike other warming devices, the Warrior Lite does not require any maintenance or calibration, only one inspection every 5 years. To sum up, not only does the Warrior Lite deliver hospital-grade warming performance in a compact and lightweight form, but the per-use price is considerably lower than any other modern battery-powered warming device. A true win-win. Q-Inflow, gold standard blood and IV fluid warmers for the entire continuum of care. Contact us for a free product trial at info@qinflow.com.